Weather Extreme video, the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 13th of July. I'm James Spann. Got a few scattered storms today. Looks like there could be a little more numerous tomorrow and over the weekend, but still fairly routine summer weather. Let's take a look at things this afternoon. That's the water vapor satellite view across the nation. Flat ridge down here across the deep south. Mid-latitude westerlies near the Canadian border. And accordingly, a buildup of cumulus clouds on this hot summer day. Some of those developing into showers and storms. That was the radar at 2:39. The bulk of the showers along and north of Interstate 59 at that point, not moving much, and they're fairly widely scattered and small. But any spot around here could see one through 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. Temperatures just aren't that bad, and you can clearly see where rain is falling. Gadsden, they've cooled down to 78 because of a shower. Birmingham, 85. Tuscaloosa in the low 90s. They've got 91. Around the nation, looks like summer, except up in the Great Lakes. Temperatures are only in the 50s over parts of Minnesota and upper Michigan today. That feels more like October down here. Feels pretty good, but we won't see that anytime soon. On the watch warning map, flash flood watches from near Indianapolis up into parts of southern New York. Heat advisories for parts of the middle Atlantic coast region, parts of Missouri and some of the adjacent states. Severe storms a possibility for the rest of today and tonight. From near Denver to Boston. Tomorrow, day 2, a marginal risk just north of here. Much of Tennessee and Kentucky. The standard risk around Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. And on day 3, which is Saturday, standard risk up north, Wisconsin, some of the adjacent states, and a marginal risk just east of Alabama. But every day we'll see scattered showers and storms. Organized severe weather not expected. Rain for the next 7 days, 1 to 2 inches. That is an average. Some will see more, some will see less. Tropical weather, things are quiet. Across the Atlantic Basin, a lot of dry air, no tropical storms for the next 48 hours and for the next 5 days. But check this out. What a time lapse. This was taken down on the Florida Gulf Coast. This was a thunderstorm earlier today. Moving toward Panama City Beach from Blue Mountain Beach, and that's kind of awesome and almost mesmerizing. But while everybody kind of watches the big shelf cloud, the thing that we're all watching, it's all those people down there. What are they doing on the coast? Come on, man. You got lightning, you got to go inside. For beachbound in coming days, yeah, you'll see these things passing through from time to time, but again, that's just routine. They'll see a pretty decent amount of sunshine there each day through next week. All right, model fans, here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. 594 heat to the west, troughing over the Great Lakes. And for us, the air aloft might be a touch colder, the moisture a tad deeper. And accordingly, there could be an increase in the number of showers and storms tomorrow. Understand, very subtle changes in variables like that can make a huge difference in the placement and coverage of storms in the afternoon. But again, the bottom line is a pretty classic summer day. Highs at or just over 90. Same thing Saturday and the same thing Sunday. For the weekend, a mixture of clouds and sunshine, scattered showers and storms, most likely during the afternoon and evening. Highs, I'd say 88 to 92 for the weekend, a touch below average for this time of the year. Go to next week. This is Monday. Same thing, although the moisture seems to thin out a bit. And Tuesday, we're trending drier and hotter. Still, the chance of afternoon storms, they should be more widely spaced. This is Wednesday. Temperatures creeping up maybe toward the mid-90s by the middle of next week. And a week from today, Thursday, July 20th, still got the flat ridge down here. And again, it looks kind of hot, kind of dry. Storms, in this case, should be pretty isolated. But again, I think they'll be there. We just can't drop that mention. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday, July 23rd, 10 days out. Flat ridge, scattered afternoon storms, and ooh, we see a tropical feature. Do we dare go into the land of voodoo? Oh, why not? It's the GFS. This is valid Thursday, July 27th. Got a tropical storm off the Jersey Shore, and we all know, more than likely, that is bogus. GFS is famous for that. European has nothing to do with it. Check the numbers. In the next 15 days, highs mostly low to mid-90s and lows mostly in the lower 70s, right at seasonal averages. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.